nito? Ano ba? Hey guys, for today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing. So, this is a smart pot. Nag-crave sila sa sinigang na baka. And this will make it easier. Hindi ako marunong gumamit nito, guys. Ang laki pala nito. Sobrang laki naman ng OA. Last time kasi nagluto ako ng bulalo. Nakapagluto na ako ng bulalo. Diba? Ang tigas. So, last time kasi nakapagluto na ako ng bulalo. Beef bulalo. And sobrang tigas nung baka kahit ang tagal ko na siyang pinakuluan. So, naisip nila yun, kailangan na talaga namin ng smart pot para mas mapadali yung pagluluto ko. So, madami ka rin pwedeng magawa dito. Like, pwede mo siyang slow cook, pwede kang gumawa ng rice, oatmeal, soup, steam, yogurt. For sure, madami pang iba. But since I'm not an expert and this is the first time I'm gonna try this, search tayo. Let's search how to use a smart pot.
Medium low. When in doubt, 5 minutes on high. Right now, the machine is preheating, getting hot, building pressure, and when the
Let's go! Bakit kasi sila magdadala ng umbrella?
Kasi mainit, nagpipilit sila sa araw.
We're on our way to, ano ang pangalan nun?
Potato man.
Potato Man. Potato Man.
Ano, ikaw message, diba?
Nakita ko itong Potato Man sa TikTok. And similar siya sa, ano ang store yun sa Philippines?
Ano yun? Price.
Kasi nilagay ko dito. Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung name ng store. Pero similar siya dito.
In college.
So here we are staying in because honestly, this is what we do best. Len and I are both homebodies. Give us a free day and there's a very high chance we're just going to stay home, watch movies, eat and do absolutely nothing.
Hey guys! We just went out tonight kasi kailangan ng lumabas nila ng bahay. Actually, muntikan pang hindi matuloy kasi medyo tinatamad kami. And Sunday pa ngayon. So, usually nagstay lang talaga kami indoors kasi may pasok na ako bukas. But yeah, we successfully went out. Mananood lang kami ngayon ng sine. We're just gonna watch Spider-Man. How's the movie? Pauwi na kami guys. And it's now 11:35 p.m. A little late para sa tita nyo. Hello Kitty. So this is very unexpected. Glenn surprised me with this is an iPad mini 7. Nag-uusap lang kami nung isang araw. And I was thinking of getting myself an iPad simply because I wanted to upgrade my way of taking notes sa work. As you know, I work in an office, so very important sa akin yung notes, and that's how I keep track of things. I'm so happy. Actually, sabi ko, order muna ako ng case and hindi pa ako nakakapili ng case. Like, pinag-iisipan ko pa kung anong color yung bibilin ko. Gusto ko sana, bago ko bilhin yung iPad, meron na akong ready na case. Or else, hindi ko naman siya magagamit kasi baka mag-slip or magasgasan ko siya. But yeah, let's start unboxing! Thank you thank you Ano ba yon? Hindi niya kasi ginagamit to. Naalala nyo guys, diba? Binilan ko siya ng iPad. Gift ko yun sa kanya ng birthday niya. And then, binilan ko siya ng complete set nun, including this. Pero, she barely used this pen. Kaya, ako na lang ang mag-utilize. So cute! Alright! Sorry. Have a piercing appointment today. I'm planning to get another ear piercing here. But yeah, I'm still making breakfast.
Hindi na ako magpapapierce.
Hala, akala ko ba ako lang.
Hindi ako din.
Okay, ang pipiliin ko.
I'll put no So it should be very simple. How you handle cats? Because there is no smell, nothing. In some homes, there is feel any single
It's the
smell.
type of the litter.
It's
now
very
they're-
clean, huh?
It's the type of the litters that they're using.
Some home there is two cats, but I felt the smell of urine. There is no smell, nothing. This one fit perfect that girl.
Honey!
Okay.
Kakagising ko lang eh.
Ganyan.
Take it.
Dan?
Bilis naman. Di man lang nasaktan. Make it more painful, bro. Lawin mo na. Only put one?
Hindi, isa lang.
Put two.
No money, please. Take it.
Sakit?
Masakit.
Oo, sobra. Yung gitera ka kasi, lahat na lang. Nag-moist yung salamin.
More pain, more pain.
Take it.
Not little, bro. Masasakit dito.
Hmm?